Good morning, dear kids. Today I am taking your exercise 8.3, which consists of problems on compound interest. Compound interest, what is compound interest? We have studied about simple interest in our previous years. That was principal into time into R upon 100. So we had principal, time, rate, and that was how we found simple interest. But what is compound interest? In compound interest, your interest is added to the principal every year and that amount becomes the principal for the next year. So your interest is compounded every year. So we can say that it is compounded every year. Got my point clear? Now in that we will go with the formula. We have formula for amount in compound interest, that is P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N, where P is principal, R is rate of interest and N is number of years. Here we can also take compound interest formula where we have P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N minus 1 inside the bracket. You can use amount formula or you can use compound interest formula depending upon the requirement of your problem. Then we also have whether your compound interest is yearly or it is semi-yearly. Semi-yearly or semi-annually. For yearly, as I said you, amount was principal 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. But for semi-annually, it will be principal 1 plus R upon 200 raised to 2N. Because in semi-annually, you are dividing 1 year into 2 terms. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. तो एक जो पूरा साल रहता है उसको हम ब्रेक करके छः महीने के 2 टर्म्स बनाते हैं सेमी एनुअली में. इसीलिए आपके फॉर्मूला में यहाँ पे 2n और यहाँ पे 200 आएगा. क्लियर? शेल वी स्टार्ट विथ प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सेज calculate the amount and compound interest. So you have to find amount as well as CI on 10800 10,800 rupees for 3 years. It is at 12.5%. 12 and half means 12.5 and it is compounded annually. My dear kids, amount find करना है इसलिए आपको formula amount का डालना पड़ेगा. Principal is given as this. Rate is given as 12.5 sorry. So we can write it 12.5 if you want. Upon 100 raised to N is 3. Now my dear kids, you have to open up this, put 0 down. You can apply the table here. 25.5 and 25.40. Correct? So you got 5 upon 40 raised to 3. That will be something like this. My dear kids, you can solve this and get your answer. You have to multiply 1.125 for 3 times and then multiply with 10800 to get your final amount. So that will be your amount. Once you got amount, how you will find CI? CI is amount minus original principal. Whatever amount you got, you have to subtract original principal, that is 10800, to get with your CI. Shall we jump on to next? Next we have the principal given is 18,000 for 2.5 years. So the time period is 2.5. 2.5, if you want to write it, you can write 5 upon 2. And Rate is given as 10%. Now, my dear kids, whenever you have something like this, the time period is 2.5. So, for 2, you can take whole years 2. So, that is annually. But for half year, you have to follow the method of semi-annually. So here you have the combination of annually and semi-annually. For that, the formula for amount will become P1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. In another bracket, 1 plus R upon 200 raised to 2N. Why I am using a combination here? Because it is 2.5 years. So 2 is the whole number, but half year will go for semi-annually method. Okay, so that's the reason I have given you this formula whenever you have a whole year and half. Okay, so principal is given to you 18,000. 1 plus rate is given to you 10%. Here N you will put 2, my dear kids, because 2 is the whole year here. And then again you have 1 plus 10 upon 200 raised to 2N. What is N here now? N is the half year here. So you can cut this, it will become 1. So my dear kids, your calculations will be something like this. 18,000, that will, you will do the LCM and you will get 110 upon 100 square multiplied by 210 upon 200 raised to 1, that is just you have to keep it as it is. You can remove this zeros, my dear kids, and your calculations will go 18,000 into 11 upon 10 for 2 times into 21 upon 20. Correct? You have to solve this and get your value of amount. Once you got the amount, you have to subtract your original principal to get with CI. So what is CI, my dear kids? Amount minus principal. Got my point clear? Shall we do one more of this? Problem number 3. C of this. Okay. We have principal given as 62,500. In that it is given time period. Time period is given 1.5 year. Rate is given as 8%. And you have to do compounded semi-annually, compounded half yearly. जब आपको हाफ ईयरली दिया हुआ है तो पूरे इसको आपको हाफ ईयरली में लेना पड़ेगा. प्रीवियस वाले प्रॉब्लम में हमको हाफ ईयरली नहीं दिया था, इट वॉज एनुअली. तो एनुअली में अगर 2.5 ईयर आ रहा है तो 2 ईयर तो होल ईयर आ जाएगा, होल में आ जाएगा, एनुअली में आएगा. लेकिन हाफ ईयर के लिए हम लोग को कॉम्बाइन करना पड़ा फॉर्मूला हाफ ईयरली का. बट हियर इट इज गिवन दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो हाफ ईयरली मेथड. मीन्स फॉर एंटायर प्रॉब्लम यू हैव टू फॉलो जस्ट वन फॉर्मूला, दैट इज दिस. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? मैटर करता है कि यहाँ पे आपको बोला क्या गया है, हाफ ईयरली बोला है या पूरा ईयरली बोला है. अगर ईयरली बोला है तो कंबाइंड फॉर्मूला आएगा. अगर हाफ ईयरली बोला है तो यू हैव टू गो फॉर द वन फॉर्मूला दैट आई हैव रिटन ऑलरेडी ऑन द स्क्रीन. सो प्रिंसिपल इज 62,500. 1 plus rate here is 8%, my dear kids, down 200. Now 2 into n. So 2 into n is what? What is 1.5 here? Can I write it 1.5 being a mixed fraction? I will keep it into improper fraction, that is 3 upon 2. I'll cut this and my answer is 3 here. 2n की जगह पे. Now my dear kids, your problem starts for the calculation. The concepts is done. See, every problem consists of a formula, substitution in the formula and the calculation. So formula we have written, we have substituted the value and now is the calculative part. My dear kids, take the LCM of this. That will be 208 upon 200 raised to 3. So once you do this calculations, that is 62500 into, you can reduce this of course in a table of 2. That will be something like this. Again you can go for 2. That will be something like this. If you want again you can go for 2 and that will be something like this. So 26 upon 25, and this you have to do it for 3 times because here the number of terms has turned out to be 3. So when you do this calculation, what you will be getting is amount, and from amount if you subtract principal, you will get, my dear, CI. Is that clear? Next to this is problem number D, which is question number first ka D. It is principal is given as 8,000, my dear kids. 9% is the rate of interest and compounded half yearly. So you know the formula of half yearly very well, and it is for 1 year. So time period is 1 year. So आप अपना formula डाल दिए. Amount is principal 1 plus r upon 200 raised to 2n. And principal you have it in your hand, 1 plus r rate you have it in your hand, and 2 raised to n, 2 into 1. 1 is the year given to you, 2 आपका formula का है, 2 raised to n. So when you solve this 8,000, here you have to take LCM, my dear kids. Don't forget to take LCM. Once you solve this calculation, what you will be getting from here will be amount. So once you got amount in your hand, you have to subtract your principal to get your CI. Is that clear? Yes, my dear kids, calculation is your part. We have one more, which is again very similar. Principal is given to you as 10,000. Time period is given to you as 1 year. Rate is given to you as 8%, and it is again compounded half yearly. So don't forget, compounded half yearly, you have different formula which I have already given you. So you have to use this formula raised to 2n, not 100 here, it will be 200 down. And once you got this, you have a formula, put the substitution and get your answer for amount. Once you got your amount, you will subtract your principal to get with CI. Let's start with question number 2, which says Kamla borrowed 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at the rate of 15% compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years, 4 months? So in this, it is clear that principal is 26,400, rate is 15%, and number of years will be 2 years plus 4 months. My dear kids, you have to convert this months into years. So that will be 2 plus 4 by 12. Yes, that will be 2 plus 1 upon 3. When you take LCM, my dear kids, it will be 7 upon 3. Is that clear? So you got your number of years value as 7 upon 3. You got rate, you got principal. What you have to find? Let's see. Okay, what amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months? Now here 2 years seems to be whole. Now here 2 years is whole here, but 4 months. For 4 months what we will do? हाफ ईयरली था तो हम लोग हाफ ईयरली का प्रोसेस करते थे, हम लोग के पास फॉर्मूला था, वी यूज टू कंबाइन बोथ. बट हियर 2 years we will take it whole, and for 4 months I will request you to use your SI, that is simple interest formula. Got my point clear? तो जैसे आप अपना अमाउंट फाइंड करते हो 2 years का, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट से फाइंड करना है आपको. Principal is 26,400. I'll make bit clean. So our formula, we have principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to n. होल नंबर के लिए 2 years के लिए आपको इस फॉर्मूला से जाना है. 4 months के लिए आपको SI वाले फॉर्मूला में जाना है. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट क्लियर? SI PTR अपॉन 100, उसमें आपको 4 months का SI सेम प्रिंसिपल पे, सेम आपका रेट पे, टाइम पीरियड सिर्फ आपका चेंज हो जाएगा, 4 months आ जाएगा जब आप SI यूज़ कर रहे हैं. थोड़ा कंसेप्ट को समझने की कोशिश करो. 2 years and 4 months, जब होल ईयर्स आपको दिए हुए हैं 2 ईयर्स है और कंपाउंडेड ईयरली है यहाँ पे, तो आपको 2 ईयर्स का तो पूरा कंपाउंडेड ईयरली जो आपको फॉर्मूला है, नॉर्मल फॉर्मूला, उसमें डालना पड़ेगा। जो 4 मंथ्स है उसके लिए आप सिंपल इंटरेस्ट के फॉर्मूला से जाओगे, क्योंकि 4 मंथ्स आपको कंपाउंड करने के लिए कोई इंटरेस्ट होगा ही नहीं, तो आपको 4 मंथ्स का अलग से इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करके ऐड ऑन करना है कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में। क्लियर हो रही है बात? शैल वी कंप्लीट दिस प्रॉब्लम? ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो प्रिंसिपल वी हैव 26,400, थोड़ा सा और क्लियर कर देते हैं। 26,400, 1 प्लस रेट इज़ 15%, टाइम यहाँ पे 2 ईयर्स। ये नॉर्मल तरीके से आपको एक अमाउंट फाइंड करना है, ठीक है। अमाउंट में से आप प्रिंसिपल माइनस कर देना, तो यहाँ से आपका आ जाएगा CI फॉर 2 ईयर्स, ठीक है। इतना क्लियर है? ओके। अब आपको SI फाइंड करना है। अब यहाँ पे से जो आपका अमाउंट आया है दैट विल बी टेकन एज अ प्रिंसिपल, क्योंकि ये कंटिन्यूटी प्रोसेस है। 2 साल हो गए तो 2 साल का जो अमाउंट है वो आपको एज अ प्रिंसिपल लेना है 3rd ईयर के लिए। तो 3rd ईयर में से 4 मंथ्स हैं, तो आप यहाँ का जो अमाउंट है वो आपको लेना है एज अ प्रिंसिपल फॉर द 3rd ईयर। तो आपका जो भी यहाँ पे आएगा वो आपका प्रिंसिपल बन जाएगा। टाइम आपको 4 मंथ्स लेना है, 4 मंथ्स लिए हैं आपने, तो नीचे से 12 लगाना है, और रेट आपको दिया हुआ है 15%, और नीचे वाला 100 आपके फॉर्मूला में जैसा रहता है। इसको अगर आप कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो व्हाट यू विल गेट फ्रॉम हियर विल बी द SI। क्लियर? इज दैट पॉइंट क्लियर नाउ? और यहाँ से जो आपके पास इंटरेस्ट आएगा सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, और यहाँ से जो आपके पास कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट आएगा, दोनों को ऐड ऑन कर दो तो टोटल इंटरेस्ट आ जाएगा। गेटिंग माई पॉइंट क्लियर? तो 2 ईयर्स का आपको होल जैसे आप फॉर्मूला में अप्लाई करते हो वैसे करना है, उसका अमाउंट फाइंड करना है, वही अमाउंट आपको SI के लिए 4 मंथ्स के लिए यूज़ करना है। सो इट्स अ कंटिन्यूटी प्रोसेस। इज दैट क्लियर किड्स?